Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tuts. And in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can send Meet link to your Google Chat account. Okay, so you need to click user you want to send your Meet link, then simply click here, bottom top corner, left corner, simply click plus icon, then you'll get the option Meet link. Okay, simply click Meet link and then they will add for you Meet link and click send. And when you send a Meet link to your friend, then your friend open this, and you have to open this also, and you will accept a request. Okay, so it's really short tutorial for you friend. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.